Mathematics 3. Order numbers up to 5,000. Quarter 1, Week 8, Day 3. Compare each pair of numbers by writing the symbol greater than, less than, or equal on the blank. 1, 68, 79. 2, 894, 391. 3, 579, 572. 4, 6,154, 7,397. 5, 9,687, 9,687. Today we will learn how to order numbers up to 5,000 from smallest, least, to largest, greatest, and vice versa. Read the following words: greater than, less than, equal to, smallest, largest, least, greatest. Situation 1. 4 children collected used paper sheets for the recycling project of the school. Rena collected 256 paper sheet. Matt collected 98. Alex collected 2,340 and Gurley with 1,395 sheets. If you arrange the numbers of used paper sheets collected from smallest, least, to largest, greatest, what will be the order? What do we mean when we say the least number? The least number is the number with the smallest value in a given set. What do we mean when we say the greatest number? The greatest number is the number with the largest value in a given set. What does it mean to arrange the numbers from least to greatest? It means arranging the numbers from one with the smallest value to the one with the largest value. Arrange from smallest, least, to largest, greatest. $98, $256, $1,395, $2,340. When the numbers are arranged from least to greatest, they are said to be in increasing or ascending order. Conversely, when the numbers are arranged in decreasing or descending order, they are arranged from greatest to least. Arrange from largest, greatest, to smallest, least. $2,340, $1,395, $256, $98. Arrange from smallest, least, to largest, greatest. Increasing order. Smallest. 598. 985. 3490. 4656. 4694. Largest. Arrange from largest, greatest, to smallest, least. Decreasing order. Largest. 4694. 4656. 3490. 985. 598. Smallest. For 1 minute, arrange from smallest, least, to largest, greatest. Write your answer on your notebook. Let's check your answer. 4985. 4986. 4987. 4988. 4989. For 1 minute, arrange from smallest, least, to largest, greatest. Write your answer on your notebook. Let's check your answer. 8299. 8999. 9299. 9399. 9400. What does it mean when we arrange numbers from smallest, least, to largest, greatest? It means that we are arranging the numbers in increasing or ascending order of value. What does it mean when we arrange numbers from smallest, least, to largest, greatest? It means that we are arranging the numbers in increasing or ascending order of value. What does it mean when we arrange numbers from largest, greatest, to smallest, least? It means that we are arranging the numbers in decreasing or descending order or value. How do we order numbers? One strategy would be to separate or group the numbers according to the number of digits. Then, compare the numbers within each group and arrange them according to the given conditions: smallest, least, to largest, greatest, or vice versa.